Mike.
So here's how you do your own Google site. So you log into your account, your Gmail account, which is also your Google account. Would be like where you manage your Google account. You want to click this thing up here, your Google Apps, because Google Sites is an app. And usually it's in here, but for some reason they've taken it out recently. I don't know why. They got forms in there, but they don't have Google Sites, which is weird. So if it doesn't show up in here, just type in Google Sites and it will take you to the app site. Click it. Since you're already logged in, it'll automatically log you right into the Google site. So these are all the sites I made recently. I have quite a few Google sites over the years of doing it. You can start off with a blank site or the templates they have. They have a couple different templates which you can check out just to get you started. So let's say you choose Help Center, or wait, they usually have a business one here, small business, or yeah. I don't really like how that looks. These templates are really a low effort. Let's use one of my own websites I created. So let's go back to like for instance, here's one of the notary websites I created. You just click it, and this is the website creator. It's all drag and drop, real simple. You want text, you click text. You want an image, you want to embed something, you do that. You want something from your drive to show up, like a picture or a form, you do that. Then you can create frames, and you got all this stuff. So let's go back to, let's just start with a blank template just to show you. So this would be like carpet tools. This is your header. All this stuff can be customized in your theme. So you have your theme over here. You have three things here. I know it looks like a lot of stuff going on. Believe me, this is so simple once you get the knack of it. So if you want to insert something, stay on this tab, and this is all the stuff you can do. Content blocks, these are very helpful. Let's say you want to do like an About You bio, you just hit that, bam, there it is. You say, About Me, and you just write a bunch of stuff about yourself here, blah blah blah, and then you hit this and upload a picture. You can select an image, or you can upload it, or from your drive. You can put a video in that block, you can put a calendar, even a map. So you could pop one of your YouTube videos in there, you could pop anything in there, an image. Let's say you don't have an image and you want to go to Google to find an image. So you go, hit that, and so we hit the select image. So Google gives you the option to select your own images in your drive, or they let you go to Google Images and you just type in search. So let's say businessman, and you get a free image. So we could put that. It's just pulling it right out of the search engine, the ones that are license free. So you put that in there, and then this will be all about you, blah blah blah. Of course, you gotta work with images and dimensions to make this work, which I suggest you use Canva.com to make, or Paint to make rapid changes to your image dimensions. So you get that in there, and let's say you want a text section. So you just go over here, just select text, and then you put all text in here, and you got all these options to do with your text. Color, styling, font, size of it, title, etc. It has like a lot of options. So that would be content, and you can even change the color of the bar like that. And then let's say you're too lazy to recreate what you wrote, you just hit carbon copy and it makes another one, make another one, another one. You can just keep doing that. Let's say you want to put in a service section. Go back to the content blocks and look at one of these. You know, how many services you offering. Let's say you have 3. So you hit that, bam, there's your 3 services. Type in what you want. Flooring, hardware. You can put a picture here or whatever is appropriate. If you don't have a picture, you can pull one out of Google like we just did up here. I do that a lot, but the dimensions are always messed up. You got to resize the image in a separate application. Let's say these are products. So let's say this is like your knife, and you want them to order it, and you got a nice picture of it here. So just click on this text box, get rid of it, and go back up to under the insert tab and look for button. These are all the other things you can insert too. Spacers, image carousel, social links, blah, 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 a ton of stuff. So you hit button, which is right here. Say order now. Put the order link in here, which would go to wherever your vendor you're using to collect the payments. Let's put whatever in there. It puts that in, but it put it down here. You got to move it, drag and drop it like this. And you want it below the knife, not above. Put it below like that. And then you can adjust the size of the knife by when you select it, make sure only the button is selected. You gotta be careful if you select this whole box and you try to change the size of the button, it changes the whole thing. So you gotta click it again. There you go. And let's say you want it to be a centered button, so you just do that. Bam, it's centered. So this allows you to look at it from a mobile phone view too. You go up here to this. This is the PC view of the website so far. Tablet, which no one uses tablets anymore. And then the cell phone. This is the important one. You want to make sure everything looks right on here because this is what everyone uses now. They're mobile devices. So here's your services or products. There's a knife. Oh wow, that's pretty nice. Let's order it. Bam, they click it. Of course, it's not going anywhere because I put in a phony link. So you go back. So all right, back to your editor. So you want to title your site up here. This is where you can add a logo here. You find a picture, brand images. This settings thing is right here. This button too. Click that. It handles all your brand. Upload your stuff. Connect your domain, Google Analytics, announcement banner. Let's say you want a bar above announcing a promotion. So you turn it on right here, make it a different color. Let's make it, I don't know, purple. And the message, special promo. And then the button label, get yours now. Of course, I misspelled it. Link, blah, blah, blah. When I have a link, you even have it open in a new tab. You can have it on all pages or just the home page. Let's do just the home page. So this is all set. It's auto sync. You don't have to save. You just exit out. And there it is. Special promo. Get yours now. Now, this will look really nice when it's done. This is all just a bunch of gibberish here really quick so I can show you. I know you have a short attention span, so I don't want to bore you here. So you can start off literally, this site would suffice. Get a real photo here, some logo up here, add a logo image like here. Let me just pick something. Here, pick my logo. There, that's too small. There you go. So you'd make a name like this, like Carpet Tools. We go there. Make sure this says Carpet Tools. Okay. Then you want to enter your site name. This is what will show up under SEO. So you're going to want to put down Carpet Tools. Carpet Tools. I'm not sure what's a SEO relevant name, but that's all optimization stuff. So anyways, so that's what would show when you go to view it. and then this is your header. So you want these all to match. You know, you can change this down to keep this title. This your title should be the first thing, because that's what's going to show up on Google. You know, the first words. I don't like this font though. It changes something more appropriate, like Times New Roman. Too big also. Let's reduce it down to something like that. And then if you want to add another image over here, you just go back up here, image, you'd slide it here. If you want to add a subheading, you click text box, which will drop it here, but you can move it. You just go to this side gripper right here. Get rid of that, yeah, side gripper right here. And you go, whoops, wait, no, don't move this. You can't move that. Move the text box right here. Move it up. Right below carpet tools, and this will be your subheading. And you know, you just want to center it all out, make it a little brighter, bigger, and you're going to say what you want to say here, or actually make it a heading. Headings come after titles, that way you're doing things in the right order, so the Google bot will come in and properly SEO all this stuff. It goes title, heading, subheading, regular text. Like this should be a subheading, or you could do heading actually, and then your regular normal text. So this would look really nice, cleaned up and everything. So I hope this short video gets you started. You literally can do just a one-pager. I mean, if you're not, and then just work on all the content over the next few months. Or if you want me to do it, I could do it too. It's up to you. It's really simple. And then to make it live, you would hit publish, and then it's going to give you a generic address because you don't have a domain connected to this. So it would be something like Carpet Tools, which checkmark means no one else is using this. This would be your full URL right here, free. And then if you want a custom domain, you can get one. I'd have to help you with that. It's a little more complicated. But anyways, we'll make it live under that regular generic domain. Hit publish. And back up here, view published site. Here it is. You know, this all can be anything you can imagine. You can do this. You want to change the background up here? We can do that. We just go back. See this here? Header type. Make it a title only, banner, a big banner, or cover the whole front part. Make it really huge. Let's go with regular size banner, and let's pick an image. So you want to pick an image. This is where if you don't have an image, Google will let you use some of theirs on their search engine. You hit select. Up here you got to go to Google Images, type in website background image. You got a lot of stuff you could choose. Let's do carpet website image. Something like this maybe. I mean, that's kind of loud. I mean, let's do something else. Go back to select, Google Images, carpet web background. There we go. How about flooring? Flooring web background. We could do a hardwood floor. We could do, I mean, obviously this isn't like something that's important, but lasting impression is important for, I guess, I don't like any of these. I guess that would be okay. Maybe, how about tile? This is pretty cool. floor tile web background. Maybe something like that. That's kind of, I like that. Sandstone dry stack. Must be a big image. Yeah, that don't look right either. Let's go back, try something else. Web background. There, that looks like a floor. We could use that. I mean, there's just so much images you could choose from. These are all free. You could, if you got one of your own, I would use that. They pull a lot from military websites too, which is funny because they're all free government websites. You know, so you're going to see a lot of like army and military personnel in these free images. You know what? I usually use this one a lot. The blue sky background always has a nice little warm and fuzzy effect on most visitors of a website. You can see there's quite a few here, but there's this one that looks just right. If I could find it. Yeah, this is a never-ending rabbit hole. This could turn into a 20-hour project just looking for the right images. Let's just use this one here, just for an example. So yeah, so alright, so you get the idea though. Then you change this to a different color if you want. Let's say like a, I don't know, orangish, maybe like a, something that sticks out a little bit more. If you don't like it being darker, you click this right here, it lightens it up to the, which, you know, it doesn't look right. So then you just hit publish. And check it out. Just a header. This can be, you can do so much stuff with this, but as you can see, there's a lot of stuff to it. So, but it's pretty simple to use. It's free. It doesn't get better than that. Free web hosting and free website hosting, basically. Not free domain. You got to pay for a domain, but you already have the domain. So, hope this helps, man. Take care.